Good evening, everyone. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner. Now, let's think about this for just a second. You just received your brand new credit card, and suddenly you see a symbol like this. You say, what is that all about? Well, it's a new feature on your credit card, and I'll explain that right now. Now, before I tell you what the symbol is, I have to tell you who invented it. There is a cooperative that created this new type of technology. 3 credit card companies worked together to create this technology. The companies are known as Europay, MasterCard, and Visa. 2 of those you know very well. If you lived in Europe, you'd know about Europay as well. Now, these 3 companies, the Europay, the MasterCard, and the Visa, they came together and they created a new chip and tap payment system. This is why you have chips on your credit and debit cards. This cooperative is known as the EMVCo Company, and the symbol is a rotated internet computer icon. Okay, now what this means is that when you see this symbol, it says you are connected to the internet. That's what this is. It's all technology is based on that. Okay. Now, how does the technology work? Well, I'm going to show you how the technology works. We're going to pretend that this is your credit card, okay? I'm not going to show you my real credit card. That's not going to happen. But anyway, we're going to pretend that this is your credit card. Now, I wanted to show you something first before I get into this. When you go up to what is called a pin pad, okay? On one end, this is my Texas Instruments 81 calculator, but you're going to see buttons on one end, and it's going to have like 0 through 9, that kind of thing. This is what is called a numeric keypad. Okay, that's the first thing you're going to see when you go to a pin pad. You're going to see a numeric keypad. It's not going to look like this, but it's going to be have the numbers 0 through 9. Okay. On the other side of the pin pad, you're going to see a screen. Now, I know this is my smartphone, but you'll see a screen. It might look like this, whatever. What you do is you take your card and you tap it onto the screen. See how I'm tapping my card to the screen? That's all you do. And that's how it works. Okay? So, when a clerk tells you to take your credit card and tap it to the screen, tap it. Just like that. That's all you have to do. And there you go. Alright. So, that is the end of my video on this one. Now you know who invented the tap card, how you know whether you have a tap card or not, which is right here, and what you're supposed to do, okay, when you are wanting to tap your card. This is the same thing with Apple Pay. Have you ever seen people take their smartphones and put it on the pin pad? Same thing. You don't want to put your credit card or your phone on the keypad. It just won't work. Don't put it on the keypad. Put it on the screen. Okay? Just imagine it's your television screen or your smartphone screen. Doesn't matter. Tap the card to the screen, not the numeric keypad. Know the difference. Alright, I will tell you more in a future video, so I'd like for you to stay tuned.